Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I am sharing yet another easy, delicious and innovative recipe. I am sharing recipe of capsicum stuffed with mincemeat, Qeema bhari shimla mirch. You just need very minimal ingredients and it is so presentable. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First, in a wide open pan, I'm heating up some oil, adding sliced onion. Start cooking, and then I'm adding some chopped green chilies. Cook until onions started to get golden. Here I'm adding some ginger and garlic paste. Cook for a minute and adding all the remaining seasoning, which have salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric. Cook for like a minute or two, and here I'm adding some tomatoes. Mix them very well and then let the tomatoes cook until they are softened. I'm covering for a couple of minutes so tomatoes get softened faster. Mash the tomatoes. If you need, add a little bit of water, cover and let it cook until oil separates and comes on top like so. Now I'm adding some minced meat, keema, and then mix together, cook until it changes its color. Now simmer and cover and let this cook completely. Here we'll prepare our capsicum. Just take large size, clean, good looking capsicum. Just chop the head off very carefully so it doesn't break, and then de-seed them and clean the inner white things. Meanwhile, here our keema is fully cooked, oils on top, and all the extra water is dried out. I'm adding half of the chopped cilantro in there, mix well and switch off the flame and let the keema cool down a bit. Then with the help of spoon, start stuffing your capsicum until it's filled up till top. Now the remaining keema, I'm adding a little bit of water, let it come to one boil, and then put the stuffed capsicum on it, simmer, put the top part of the capsicum and cover it and simmer and let it cook until capsicums are fully tender. You can see they will change their color. If you want to hold the top part of the capsicum, you can poke the toothpick in there or just tie them with the kitchen twine. In the end, just transfer it into a serving bowl, serve with some sliced green chilies, cilantro, and with the side of paratha, chirma, or with naan. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.